What's up students, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we will be discussing how we can get low competition keywords and rank on Google. So basically in this video we will find low competition keywords, and then in the upcoming videos we will be creating content with the help of those keywords and implementing all of our strategies, SEO strategies inside ChatGPT to create a content for that particular keyword. For example, let's find out some keywords. First of all, you need to go to this website keyword.io, and here just go into the Google section that I'm in. Make sure it's United States, and here search for any keyword that you like. For example, let's search for something like productivity books. You can search for anything here, anything you want to rank for. Search here productivity books, and let's see what we get. So here you can see we have we got 211 keywords. Okay, this pop-up will come and you can say no thanks. Okay, so 211 keywords. Now what you need to do is you need to select the keywords that you like. Okay, I'm going to select a few keywords that I like, or no audiobooks, this keyword. So these are the keywords that I liked. So we have picked 18 keywords, as you can see over here. Now these are our keywords that now on these keywords we'll see whether we can rank these keywords easily on Google or it is harder to rank. So basically when we'll find a low competition keyword from one of these, then we'll go and write an article about that. Let's see, let's copy all of these like this. Let's go to another tool called mangols.com, app.mangols.com/keyword finder. So basically it is a KW finder by Mangols. So basically search on Google. You can find this by searching KW finder Mangols. So here it is. This is the website. Just click on this website. You need to log in on this website, and this is running on a 14-day free trial. After that you can always upgrade, or you can use other free sites. I will link other free sites as well, but of course you don't need them. First 14 days are free, go check those out. So what you want to do is just click on import. Now here you are going to list your keywords. Okay, so I'm going to paste my 18 keywords and make sure this is selected as anywhere and click process keywords. Okay, so wait for a couple of seconds until it processes the keywords and gives us these keywords, as we can see over here. So it is telling us the monthly search volume not available for this, 110, 10, 2700, which is good. CPC, PPC. So what you are seeing here is this keyword difficulty. You want this keyword difficulty to be as low as possible. So okay, for example, as you can see, the keyword difficulty for this keyword is 26. So if I were to click on here, as you can see, if the keyword difficulty is from 0 to 14, it is easy to rank on Google. And if it is from 15 to 29, it's still easy, but if it is from 30 to 49, it's possible but not that easy, and etc, etc. You can see here. So we are basically going for any keyword which is between 0 to 29 keyword difficulty. So if I click on this keyword difficulty, it will rank the keywords like this. For example, so if we have 4 keywords, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 2 of them are normal keywords, possible keywords, and 2 of them are in the category of still easy keyword. So we are unable to find an easy keyword, but what we are looking after is easy or still easy keywords. So basically we got 2 keywords in this still easy category. One of them is Ali Abdal Productivity Books, and other is Best Productivity Books 2021. So these are the two keywords that we found in our research. Then we can go again here and search something else, find a few more keywords, copy them and paste them here, and search find few other keywords that are easy to rank on Google. So what I'm going to do is copy this from here, copy keyword, and I'll just go here and create a text keyword. I'll just paste one keyword over here, and let's go and copy the other keyword as well and paste it over here. So we have found our keywords that we're going to rank for. So this is how you are going to find keywords for your SEO strategies, and then after that we'll go and create articles on these keywords with the help of our tool ChatGPT. So these are the two websites that we're going to use, and then let's go to ChatGPT in the next video and try to create our blog post.